Hello and welcome once again to ColDesi TV. What we're going to do today is talk about the Avancé Advantage. And the Avancé is ColDesi's newest commercial embroidery machine. It's a 15 needle single head industrial model, and there are plenty of reasons for us to be excited about this. So what we're going to do is going to go through each one of these features that you see here on the screen one at a time. I'll talk about them a little bit, and then once I'm done, you are welcome to type in your questions down below if you are watching this on YouTube. So let's begin with the upper right-hand corner here. Might seem a strange place to start, but the trade-in value of the Avancé is one of its best features. We've actually set a new industry standard here with a 100% trade-up value for 2 years. That's a full 24 months after you purchase the machine. You will get a 100% credit towards a 4-head or a 6-head embroidery machine. Now let me tell you how valuable that is. If you spend, depending on your package, $11,000 or $12,000 on the Avancé or whatever it is, and in a year you realize that your business is doing great and you need to upgrade to a 4-head or a 6-head, you'll get that full purchase price as a credit towards the upgraded purchase. So really, it's an amazing deal. There are no other manufacturers that offer that. And we can do that because we have such confidence in not only the equipment that we've designed here, but in our support team to help keep you running and in our ability to help you succeed in business. So that is the 100% trade-up value up in the left-hand corner there. Now the basics of the machine are that, of course, it's a 15 needle, 15 color machine. And what that means is that I can have 15 different color threads running on 15 different needles here to create a design. The power in having a 15 needle machine is that you can keep the 10 colors that you use all the time and your designs assigned to those colors in those needle positions. So that means if you pull out somebody's design from 6 months ago, a company wants to redo a design, if it's one of those 10 colors, you don't need to change anything. Just load up the new design and go. And then you've got the other 5 for variable, just to keep black and white on or to keep your second most popular colors. Now the other thing is that it's fast. Now the Avancé will do up to 1,200 stitches per minute, and it will actually run well at high speeds. You can actually test out your design because some of it depends on the way it was digitized. But it will physically run at up to 1,200 stitches per minute, and it will do that all day, every day. These things are tested and tried considerably before you ever see them. Now the little circle here is important too because these machines are networkable. There's an Ethernet port on the back. So if your first machine, you can hook up and send a design to it over the networking port. But you can also network more than one machine together. So if you decide not to take advantage of the upgrade, 100% to your upgrade, you can just add one machine and have it be like a 2-head, or 2 machines and have it be like a 3-head. So networking is an important feature of the Avancé as well. The machine comes with a stand. It is a heavy-duty stand with casters on it. So it's less than 3 feet wide and less than 3 feet deep, so it'll fit in most closets. If you are starting your business from home, you can just roll it into a closet when you're not embroidering. If you are a screen printer or you're adding embroidery to your shop, that stand is going to be very handy for storing things down on the bottom and also for getting out of the way of the other equipment. There is a tabletop for flat embroidery. We find we don't have to use that a lot, actually. Here at ColDesi, we do a lot of our own embroidery for samples and things like that. Hardly ever use the tabletop, but it is there for you if you want to do a beach towel or something along those lines. Let's not ignore also the starter supplies. Now, a lot of the entry-level commercial machines that are on the market today are really consumer machines that are just expensive. They're designed to kind of be easy to use and come with a lot of bells and whistles, not designed to run all day, every day. And also, they don't come with any supplies. What we do is we give you 65,000 meter cones. That is going to last you a long time. And you also get Sierra's Stitch Area Universal digitizing software. So plenty of power to run your machine. I'm going to jump over here to this box where it tells you, now that we've talked about software, that you also have 4,400 designs that come with the machine. That means that there's going to be the basics. There's going to be a baseball and a football and maybe a deer, or there's going to be a lot of pre-digitized designs that you can just add text to. So find something you like. It's also a library of different images that you can offer customers. Say, which one of these would you like? What font would you like? And I can put that as your logo on a shirt, or I can put it on a jacket back or something along those lines. Now, while I'm on the control panel here, it also has a 2 million stitch memory, or up to 200 designs right in the control panel. So you've got 200 customers that come back to you all the time for logos. Guess what? They're all right on the machine. You don't have to pull anything up. Just walk over to the control panel, load up your load up your garment and go. And of course, it also has a USB port, so you can put as many designs as you'd like on the USB and keep them in the machine. You get a 2-year parts and labor guarantee, 5-year on major components. This is very common in the industry, but what we found is because of the way the Avancé is built, frankly, you're not going to need it. What you may need is, well, you're going to need training, because even if you're an experienced embroiderer, you should come in and get the training done with the Stitch Area Universal and just see the special features of the Avancé and how they work. So we offer classroom training naturally, but there's also both online, and that's live online, so you have somebody talk to you through the procedure, and they're self-paced. So what that means is you come down or you do an online training yourself, then when you're ready to expand and add somebody, or you just need a refresher course, it's all free. You can log in, you can do the self-paced training, you can sign your new employee up for the free online training, and you're ready to go. Incredibly valuable to be able to do that. And of course, we offer free technical support to all of our customers on all of our products. So that's there for you as well. Okay, now some of these are just very basic. The automatic thread trimmer and color change and thread break detection. That's all stuff that you should expect from any commercial embroidery machine. But this right here is not. The large sewing field. Having an almost 20 by 14 inch sewing field, there's only one other compact machine like ours on the market by Tajima, and it's significantly more expensive. This sewing field means that you can do maybe a dozen or 2 dozen patches if you're working on doing embroidered patches. Or you can do a jacket back. The difference between a 14 by 8 inch print or embroidered design on the back of a jacket versus an almost 20 by 14 is incredible. Your customers will spend so much more for a large design, as well they should. It's an important feature of the Avancé. And of course, you get a full complement of hoops with the machine. No one's going to come back. You're not going to go to do a new job and realize that you don't have the right hoop. If you're doing anything normal, anything that people usually do, it'll fall within one of these hoops that you get free with the machine very comfortably. You get 2 each of the 21 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 9 centimeter hoops. You get 2 of these huge tubular hoops and jacket backs. So all in all, between the supplies and the hoops, you have a great starter kit. And lastly, but definitely not least, you also get 2 cap drivers or cap frames. So the Avancé comes with the ability to embroider on flats and caps. And once again, it's a huge sewing area at 14¼ by about 3¼ inches for caps. So think about all those lids stores that you see in the mall, or any of your customers that might get embroidered polos. They're going to want embroidered caps too. And when you get the Avancé, you get all that included in the price. One more thing I'll mention that make the Avancé ideal for portable uses is, as you can see, I have the stand here, and it comes with legs, and basically in a very stable way. You just put this on top of the stand. It's very stable. It sews out really well. But I can also take this and put it in the back of a truck or a minivan and take it to a show, take it to a fair and do embroidery, or put it in a mall kiosk and do embroidery tabletop style. So that is a big deal as well, because many of the other products on the market, like the SWF 1501C and the Tajima, they come with stands, but the machine is actually bolted into the stand, which makes it difficult and inconvenient to take off and take on the road. But those are just, as many features as we could think of and frankly fit on this graphic here about the Avancé 1501C. It's a great machine, comes with a 5-year warranty, free training, and the amazing industry standard 2-year 100% trade-up guarantee. I hope that you get the opportunity to take a look at the Avancé. There's lots of videos here on YouTube as well. Click below and ask your questions. We will answer them as soon as we can. And also stay tuned. If you do sign up with us, give us your email address. We'll also let you know the next time there's a live online demonstration, which we do of the Avancé about once every 6 weeks. So go to avancé-emb.com, click on one of the links at the bottom of the screen, leave your comments below in YouTube, or give us a call if you have any questions at 877-793-3278. Thanks. I hope you all have a successful business.